Assalamu alaikum. Are you confused with new US tax policy on Google AdSense account? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. I'll tell you very easy steps to fill the form and solve your problem. Stick around, I'll show you how. First, you will open Google Chrome and log in your AdSense account. After you log in your AdSense account, you will see here check if additional tax information required from you. All YouTube creator and partner required to submit tax information. So you need to click on manage tax. Alternatively, you can also click on payments, manage setting, and then you can click on the US tax information, and then you can also fill the form. But this is the easiest way, so just click here. Now here they are asking add tax info, so just click on this. Now it will ask you to write your email and password for which you are using this Google AdSense account and your YouTube. So just click on next if you have already the information, otherwise fill the information. Now first option is that they are asking is it an individual account or non-individual. So I have an individual account, so I'll click on individual. For business and other accounts you can use the non-individual. Now I'll click on next. Then they are asking are you a citizen or resident of US. So I'm not a resident, so I'll click on no. If you are a resident, you can click on yes. I'll click on next. Now there are two forms. One is for non-US residents who want to get the treaty benefits to get the reduced tax on their YouTube account. So they can choose this first option. And the second one is the form is most commonly used by non-US business entity. So obviously it's not a business account, so I'll choose the first one and then start the form. Now this is my name. Make sure that your name is correctly written here. This is the same name as appear in my Google AdSense account. This should not be different from your Google AdSense account. Then leave this. This is doing business. Just leave this. Now country or citizenship. So I am a resident of Pakistan, so I am choosing Pakistan. If you live in India, New Zealand, South Africa or any other country, you can use your country. Then they are asking this foreign TIN. TIN is actually tax identification number. So it depends on your country. Like in Pakistan we use national identity card, CNIC. In India they use PAN card. In New Zealand they use different cards. So depending on your country, just put your national identity number, the number which reflects your identity. So I'm putting here my national identity number. Now then I'll click on next. Now they are asking me the address. So first I check the permanent address and I have to write the same address as it is in my Google AdSense account. So I have already copied it in Notepad. So I'll just copy from there, or you can copy it from your Google AdSense account. You can right click here and open new tab, and then you can just copy in payment section your address and paste it here. So after pasting it here, you need to write the city. So my city is Karachi. You write your own city here, and then the postal code, again postal code you can get from your YouTube payment section where you have already put the postal code. So, or you can copy all the information in the beginning like name, address and postal code in Microsoft Notepad, and then you can easily copy all that information. So now I have my postcode. Now they are saying that mailing address is same as permanent resident address. Actually they are asking a mailing address. Sometimes you live in one place, you own one house but you live in some other place on rent, so you have to put two addresses at that time if you have two addresses. But since I have the same permanent and mailing address, so I'll just check this and I'll click on next. Now after clicking on next, they are asking are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty. That's what we are working for. We want YouTube not to deduct the tax. So I'll click on yes here and I'll click check this also, and then I'll click my country here, which is Pakistan. So this is actually about the treaty which is between your country and the US. So with that treaty you get reduced tax rates. If you want to check that your country is included in the treaty or not, I will leave the link in the description. You can click on that and then check the name of the countries, those who are having treaty with US. Most of the countries are having treaty, so I hope your country will also be having. So just check it. Then we have these few services. So just click, I'm clicking on the first service. I'll click here, and article 3 paragraph 2, this is what only information I have. So I'll click this, and then after clicking here, make sure to put on 0%, not on 30. So just click on 0%, and then check this also. Then click on this second option, and if you click here, they are saying no treaty for this income. So I will just select this, and obviously I don't have any other option. Then I click check again this, and then third one, and I'll click here, and again there is a treaty, so that's why it's showing that there is some rules. And I'll again click on 0, and then I'll click check this also, and then I'll click on next. And these are the few terms. If you want to read it, you can read it, but I have already done the research work, so I just you can just follow what I'm telling you. So click on next. Now you see all this information is filled. Now they are saying I confirm that I have reviewed and everything. So I'll click on check this and click on next. After checking this, then it's writing your full name. So you need to write your name which is in your Google AdSense. So I'm writing that name here. Then they're asking, are you a person listed in the signature section? Yes, I'm the person listed in the signature section, and I'm completed this form on my own behalf. And no, I'm signing in behalf of other person. So yes, since I'm the owner of this website, this YouTube channel, so I'm just clicking on yes and clicking on next. Now they're asking that this tax information is for US, within US. So obviously I'm not a resident of US, so I'll click on no, and then I'll check this, that I'm certifying this. And then they're asking that are you providing tax info for new or existing payment profile that has not been received payments, or existing payment profile that has previously received payments. Like for example, if you have YouTube account and they have sent you the payments, you have already passed the threshold of $100 and they have sent you money already, then you will click on this second one if you have received the money. But if you haven't received the money, then you will click check this one, because it's saying I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payments. So if you haven't received any payment, you will check this, and if you have already received the payments from YouTube, you will check this, and then you need to just check this and click on submit, and by this your form will be submitted. Now you can see that your account has been approved and all these things are claimed, and how easy it was to fill the form. Now if we check our email, you can see that Google has sent us an email, your tax information has been approved. So you see how easy it was to fill the form. I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you have learned something new, please subscribe my channel, like it, and make sure to share it with your friend and family so others may benefit also, or your other colleagues, as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.